As temperatures drop, keeping your home warm and energy efficient becomes a top priority. Did you know that improving energy efficiency isn't just about saving on heating costs? It's also about creating a more comfortable, sustainable home. Let's talk about how to make it happen. Many homes lose heat through walls, ceilings, and windows. This not only makes it harder to stay warm, but also increases energy bills as your heating system works overtime to compensate. The good news? Energy efficiency upgrades can drastically reduce heat loss, lower energy costs, and create a cozier home environment. It all starts with insulation. For example, at KTK, we go beyond standard building codes to ensure optimal insulation in every home we build. In Nova Scotia, building codes require minimum R values for insulation, R17 for walls, R50 for ceilings, R17 for basement walls, and R11 under basement floors. But at KTK, we raise these values to R24 for walls, R60 for ceilings, R24 for basement walls, and R15 for basement floors. We also add an extra R10 with our 2-inch foam panels, significantly enhancing energy performance. Windows are another critical factor. High-quality, energy-efficient windows, like those from our trusted partners at Raven Windows, prevent heat loss while letting in natural light. They keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer, contributing to year-round comfort. Upgrading your home's energy efficiency isn't just an investment in lower energy bills. It's an investment in your quality of life and the environment. At KTK, we're committed to building homes that are smarter, warmer, and greener. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to make your home more energy efficient or want to learn more about our approach, visit us at ktkk.ca. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on creating a home you'll love. See you next time.